Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 12th of October 2016. So yesterday, see the market moving sharply, and it's at, let's just put the time on there. It was at 15:55 when we got the first signal that moved just over 20 points lower there, before the market found support and started trading sideways. In the evening session, opposite to what I thought would happen, the market actually moved lower again. There was another sell signal, and the market then came off the lows from this, and then just before the close there was the usual ramp back to the upside, and then you can see prices coming all the way back on the overnight market there, which again is no surprise, because as I keep saying, they want this market higher. They just left it until before the close and then used the overnight markets last night. In the daily charts, you can see that we've got this sideways pattern, and this is because of the US elections. The markets have got really nothing to move around with at the moment, apart from the interest rate speculation, which we don't see happening at the moment, obviously, because well, I wouldn't say no. I think there was one, but I can't remember which president it was under, where interest rates were actually increased in the month before the US election, but I can't remember who it was. So this time around, I can't see it. I'd be very, very surprised if they did. So this is why the market's sideways, no news, and then just churning sideways and consolidating here. News-wise today, well, it's Wednesday, so it's FOMC meeting minutes, and again we've got Dudley speaking as well at 2:41 p.m. They're bringing out these people before we actually get the official FOMC meeting minutes later tonight. There's no interest rate decision tonight. I think that moves to November, if I'm right there. It's just the minutes from the last meeting. And again, we've got Bank of England Cunliffe speaking as well. So they're bringing out the central bankers to have a chit-chat as well. Implied volatility up sharply, 1346, because the market moved lower, but again still sort of stuck in this sideways range, and again we know the reasons for that. Deutsche Bank was down a bit yesterday, moved lower, still at down to sorry, this is a monthly picture here. Let me just go to the daily. One day, there you go, you can see. So we had a high yesterday of 12.56 and a low of 12.21, but still holding above the 12 euros per share at the moment, which is odd, given that they've still got problems, major problems, but at the moment it's gone off the radar. It's bizarre, but again something that's interlinked with the US elections. The last thing they want is a banking crisis. If Trump gets in, then I'll let everything fall apart. If Hillary gets in, then it may be a different ball game altogether, because she's been taking very huge fees from the boys at Goldman for after dinner speeches, and also in one of the WikiLeaks emails saying that she would give them carte blanche to do whatever they wanted if she became president. No surprise there whatsoever. So really that's about it today. There's not a lot to report. There's no crude oil figures today because it was a holiday on Monday. The Columbus Day observations were in place, so there's no crude oil until tomorrow. So it's just a matter of waiting to see what the FOMC minutes say. Could be quiet. It could be a run beforehand and then quiet after. It's hard to say given the situation that we're in at the moment. But if you get any points before the end of the first session, then call it a day or think about it, because there's really not a lot to move the market thereafter unless something else comes out of nowhere. Right, that's it. Maybe be reporting in later on today. Other than that, have a good day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.